Have you heard about this phrase that if you want to go up or grow up, you need to give up? And one very important thing that you need to give up is expectations of others. I have met so many times, especially children, students, grown up, when they are going through some tough time due to some failure, due to some losses, due to some maybe, academic failure or failure in their relationship. They always worry about, if they do a different path or if they change a career, what other people think, how they can disappoint their parents, their friends, their colleagues. And in order to avoid this disappointment, they might end up choosing things that their body might be telling them is not right for them or is not make them happy, but they keep doing it just to make other happy. So one thing, I highly encourage you to be authentic to yourself, listen to your body, don't ignore it, and don't do things because it makes other happy, but do those things that make you happy.